Hi friends, welcome to the channel GVK Academy. Today we are going to discuss difference between stress and pressure. Let's start. Stress, it is defined for solids, whereas pressure, it is defined for fluids. Stress is calculated as internal resistive force per unit area, whereas pressure is calculated as applied or external force per unit area. So let's understand this second point. So let's consider this is a block subjected to a axial force F. To counteract this force, the body generates internal resistive force. Let's see this diagram. Due to this force, the body insidely generating resisting forces. These internal resisting forces per unit area is called as stress. So stress is nothing but a internally generated resistive force per unit area, whereas pressure is equal to applied force per unit area. Let us consider the container full of fluid, then immerse the plate inside this fluid. The fluid will apply a normal force to the surface of this plate. Therefore, pressure is a applied normal force by the fluid per unit area of the plate. Therefore, stress is a internally generating force per unit area, whereas pressure is a externally applied force, normal force per unit area. Third point, stress measured at a point, whereas pressure also measured at a point. At a point, the stress have 9 standard components that may or may not be equal, and pressure at a point is also measured at a point, and it can have many direction, and in all direction the magnitude is equal. Let's understand these points. Let's consider this body. The stress measured at a point. At a point, the stress acting in all directions, but we consider 9 standard components. Let's zooming this point. The point is an infinitesimally small, therefore the point can be made assume any shape. Let's assume a cubic shape on which there are 9 standard components are acting. Sigma x, 3 are normal and 6 are shear components. Coming to pressure, at a point, in all direction pressure will act, and in all direction the magnitude will be same. Therefore, only magnitude is enough to describe the pressure. Therefore, pressure is independent of direction, because at all direction the magnitude is same. Therefore, pressure is a scalar quantity, and whereas stress is a tensor quantity. So fifth point, stress is a tensor quantity, and whereas pressure is a scalar quantity. Sixth point, stress will act normal to the area, parallel to the area, or inclined to the area. Let's suppose it is a bar. Therefore, stress can act normal to the area, or parallel to the area, or inclined also. Whereas pressure will act normal to the immersed body. Normal to the immersed body. Normally the pressure will act. That's all for this video. I hope you understand difference between stress and pressure. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share it. I will share this video PDF in the Telegram group. Link is given in the description. Please join the Telegram group. Thank you.